Imagine there is a new category in mutual fund where the risk automatically reduces as your goal approaches. Yes, this is the new category which was recently launched by SEBI, known as a life cycle fund. So, how does an asset allocation work in a life cycle fund? Let's say you're 30 years old and you have a goal which you want to achieve at the age of 60. So, you have a period of almost 30 years. Now, in such funds, when you have a period of 15 to 30 years till maturity, equity portion is between 65 to 95%. As the number of years to your goal reduces, say 10 to 15 years, the equity reduces to 65 to 80%. When it is 5 to 10 years left for your goal, equity is around 50 to 65%. When it is 3 to 5 years, the equity further reduces to 35 to 50%. When only 1 to 3 years is left, equity is reduced to 20 to 35%. And when you're very near to your goal, say less than 1 year, the equity is just between 5 to 20%. And it moves your majority money towards debt. So the portfolio starts aggressively and gradually becomes conservative by moving from equity to debt depending on the number of years you have left to achieve your goal. It also can hold up to 10% in gold, silver, ingots, depending on the fund strategy. So, exit load for such fund is a declining exit load to encourage long-term investing. If you remove your funds in year 1, it is 3%, year 2, it is 2%, and year 3, it is 1%, and year 4 onwards, it is 0%. If you want to know more about life cycle funds, please DM us or comment us and we will get back to you.